Welcome to the WION podcast, where we explore fascinating stories and ideas from various fields. In this episode, we uncover a startling study showing how humans have been eating, drinking, and even breathing microplastics for years, as scientists now find them virtually everywhere around us. Humans have left small plastic fragments all over the planet, from oceans to mountains. Every year, millions of tons of plastic are created using fossil fuels, and then the plastic enters the environment and break into tiny particles which choke marine life and the food chain. We have taken these microplastics into our bodies without even knowing the consequences. Plastic pollution places have become so common these days. One such instance of this can be the enormous Great Pacific Garbage Patch. As per a shocking analysis released in the same year by the environmental charity WWF, on an average, people consume and breathe in up to 5 grams of plastic per week, reported by AFP. Scientists recently discovered that plastics exist in the body. It is quite possible that humans have been ingesting plastic through food, drinking, and breathing for many years. In 2019, there were 460 million tons of plastic consumed, which is twice as much as 20 years earlier, and only 10% of it was recycled. The United Nations has started a process to create a legally binding agreement to address the global plastic crisis, and warned that the world is facing pollution crisis, and along with biodiversity and climate crisis. Jean-François Giglione, a researcher at the Laboratory of Microbial Oceanography in France, in conversation with AFP, said, "We did not imagine 10 years ago that there could be so many small microplastics, invisible to the naked eye, and that they were everywhere around us." He also told that the scientists are currently finding microplastics in several human organs, such as lungs, spleen, kidneys, and even the placenta. Small microplastics, invisible to the naked eye, have deleterious effects on all the animals that we have studied in the marine environment or on land, said Giglione. Laura Sadowski, from the Hull York Medical School in the UK, in conversation with AFP, said that her team found polypropylene and PET, or polythene terephthalate, in lung tissues, and it was shocking to that how deep it was in the lungs and the size of the particles. Bart Koolmans, professor in aquatic ecology and water quality at Wageningen University, said, "People cannot stop breathing, so even if you change your eating habits, you will still inhale them. They're everywhere." One hypothesis that these microplastics could be responsible for human health and certain syndromes. While the health effects of plastic are not known, scientists are aware of the effects of the indoor and outdoor air pollution, which, according to the Lancet Commission on Pollution experts, resulted in deaths of nearly 6.7 million people in early 2019. Thanks for tuning into this incredible story. If this episode resonated with you, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button for more captivating stories to come. Stay tuned.